Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Just Do Electronics. We will be building a RFID based attendance system that logs attendance in a Google Sheet and send a real-time message alert whenever a user scans this card. This is the perfect for a school office where you need to monitor this attendance system. Now see this working of this project. First we turn on the system, and when I scan this card, this RFID tag to RFID reader, it will display this name and roll number. Google Sheet will also display this date, time, name, ID, and status. Name is the Pratik. After the few seconds, the GSM sending this text message. Pratik is present at school. Is a in status. When I scan this again, same card, and the status will be changed. Is the out. SMS will become Pratik is out of the school. Now I scan the second card. I am the second user. LCD will display name and roll number. Who also probably take this attendance is this status will be in, and ID will be also changed each second. After the few seconds, the GSM sending this text message. See, Sonu is present at a school. When I scan the Sonu card again, then a status will be changed. This time is the out. This project is working perfectly. I hope you like this project, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share with all the friends. If you're new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit this bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.